Finding the right home isn't just about buying a property, it's about choosing where your life will unfold. Today, let me show you a place that might just be the perfect fit for your future. Hi, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. My name is John Kevin Paunel at nandito tayo sa harap ng Vera Model of the Houselands Clarkway, which is located dito lamang po sa Barangay Dukit, Dau, Mabalacat, City, Pampanga. This model po ay meron pong minimum lot area na 100 square meters at floor area na 84.20 square meters. Meron po itong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bathroom, at 1 powder room and 1 vehicle carport. But before we proceed on the further details of this model unit, if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para ma-update po kayo sa mga susunod nating videos. Alam ko pong excited na sila kaya wag na po nating patagalin. Let's begin. If you're looking for a very strategic project within Angeles or malapit po sa expressway, malls, perfect po ang the Houselands Clarkway. So, nandito tayo sa harap ng Vera Model. So, ang Vera Model, na-feel ko siya, or as I can see, meron po siyang modern Mediterranean design na inspiration. So, let's take a look. Papansin po natin. Although the color is like a plain, pero simple po siya. Tapos po makikita po natin, although it's not confirmed, meron po siyang fence and gate. Dun sa mga interested po dito sa Vera Model, you can just message us. So while confirming, so there's a possibility na kapag nag-inquire po kayo, na-validate na po namin. So pag-usapan po natin yung Vera Model. It is a single attached. Ibig sabihin, meron po itong single firewall na nakasagad doon sa pinaka-property line. So yung bahay po, sa pinaka-boundary niya, nandun na po siya, kaya nagkaroon po siya ng firewall. So napaka-aliwalas po niyang tingnan. And although makikita niyo po medyo mainit pa noon, pagtingin po pa lang po doon sa design po ng bahay, it's so relaxing. Meron po tayong 1 vehicle carport dito na may roof cover po siya. And later, papasukin po natin yan. So I guess, let's check inside. Although this is just a dressed up model, that is why yung mga nakikita po natin dito are just designs that you may copy or pwede nyo po maging inspiration. Napaka-aliwalas po ng setback niya sa harap. Estimated po almost 2 meters. Let's say it's a 1.8 meter setback space. Dito po makikita nyo po sa aking kaliwa and also on my right side na meron po silang basic landscape dito which serves as your pocket garden. Pero syempre, since it's just a model po, kaya wala po talaga yung ganitong klaseng turnover. Once na ito po yung dineliver po sa inyo. Napansin ko rin po dito yung napakaganda nung kanila pong windows. Meron siyang canopy dito. Hindi siya basic or plain canopy lang. May mga design po siya as a concrete molding. And before we describe the details of the main door, dito muna tayo sa paligid. Very decent space naman po yung ating carport. I can say na magkakasya po dito yung Fortuner Montero Sport. Kung pick up po yan, baka sumagad po siya dito sa ating main gate. So, diskarte na lamang po siya. Medyo mataas po yung ating ceiling. Mga nasa 10 feet na rin po. We have an electric outlet dito na may cover. At meron tayong faucet dito sa right side. Paved na rin po yung ating carport. And then we have a setback space as we proceed on this area. Mga nasa 1.5 meters pa. And meron po tayong outdoor na countertop po dito. I can say that this will serve as your service area. We have stainless steel sink, faucet. Pwede ho kayo maglaba po rito. And we have a door outlet dito. At meron tayong access sa ating kitchen at mamaya papasukin po natin. Pero let's describe this kung saan steel door na siya. So dito po tayo sa likod. On this area naman po, although we can see na we have a stone pathway dito, pero hindi po yan inclusive sa delivery of the unit. Meron tayong estimated setback na nasa 1.5 meter space. And as we proceed here, etong area na ito, kung saan merong tables and chairs. Paved siya, facing dito sa ating lanai area. We have a 2-panel sliding glass door dito at we will access that later. Pero syempre, pakita mo lang po natin kung gaano kalapad. So yung frontage po natin, kung gaano siya kalawak po, ganun din po yung spasyo that we have dito sa backyard natin. You may extend this as your dirty kitchen or a place for relaxation. It's up to you kung paano nyo po gagamitin. Kasi may mga client po tayo na hindi po nila gusto yung sagad. Ibig sabihin, kahit na gusto nila yung spacious po yung floor area ng kanilang unit, Pero at least kahit papaano, meron pang space na pwedeng gamitin for an extension. And now, let's go back sa front. At ngayon, dito naman po tayo sa front. And another thing that I noticed, yung kanila pong wall dito. Unlike dun sa mga typical wall natin, smooth finish po yung pagkaka-plaster. Dito naman po, meron siyang konting accent, gray yung color. At the same time, rough yung finish niya. Tapos, elevated yung ating doorstep. And of course, very known po or popular po ang Houseland sa paggamit po ng mga steel door. Yung steel door nila dito, different naman po siya doon sa mga previous model units na ating house tour. Let's go inside and let's check the interior details. Once we enter the Vera model, mapapansin ko po dito na yung common po or typical for their model units, yung delivery is open concept. Dito sa aking right side, automatic will be greeted sa Vera's formal living area. So as you can see, we have a sofa here, tapos our TV console. Tandaan nyo po, ating disclaimer, this is just a dressed-up model. So yung makikita po natin dito is just a sample interior design. Napansin ko rin po yung height floor to ceiling. Estimated 9 feet mahigit or almost 10 feet na. Yung floor tiles na ginamit po dito, it is a porcelain 60 by 60 centimeter dimension. We have a bar counter here, and on this area, we have the formal dining area. Although ito po makikita po natin, they use a round 4-seater table. I can say that you can also use a 6-seater dining table pa dito. Ito naman po sa area natin, we have a kitchen countertop with a double stainless steel sink. Sa baba, we have a cabinetries. We have a space for a refrigerator and of course, yung ating countertop. I'm not sure, but I guess yung ginamit po nila dito, it is a granite countertop. We have a wall-mounted cabinet, electric outlet, at ito po yung access natin kanina nung nandun po tayo sa side. Yung ating side door, which is our access dito sa ating kitchen area. May mga switches po tayo dito, tsaka ito yung door stopper. Kasi ito yung napansin ko kapag pagbukas po natin ng pinto. So let's try, check natin. Pakita ko lang po. Minsan accidentally natutulak po siya. But meron pong door stopper po dito. Naiiwasan po yung pagbagsak. At yung dati po kasi mga model po natin, hindi po siya door handle. Door knob talaga siya. Nandito yung lock. So pag walang door stopper, tatama po yan doon. Pagkatapos malalak. At mapapansin po natin nung wala pang door stopper, siyempre tatama po yan sa ating wall. But we have to confirm, of course. Iko-confirm natin if it is included sa delivery of the unit. But at least we have the idea. And now, this is our staircase. As you can see, malapad po siya. Meron siyang 1 meter space. Pagkatapos yung handrail, solid wood. The railing are steel. Tapos, pababa naman po yung ating powder room po dito. So, elevated itong pinaka-floor area natin. So, pagbaba naman po dito, descent po siya yung ating powder area. So, we have lavatory dito. Tapos, yung height naman, mga nasa 7 feet. And, although napaka-ganda pong tingnan po ng fluted panel, but I guess this is not inclusive sa delivery of the unit. So, this is our lanay na naipakita naman po natin kanina. Napansin ko rin po dito, yung ating mga switch breaker dito po siya sa side na ito. Yung ating ceiling po, gypsum board po yung ginamit po dyan. Alam naman po natin, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, yung gypsum board po kasi, ano po siya, termite proof, tsaka fireproof. Yun po yung advantage of using a gypsum board. And now, let's go upstairs and let's check the 3 bedrooms that we have in this model. Tara! Itong ating staircase dito, U-shape po siya. And kanina hinahanap ko yung window that will give natural light dito sa ating staircase. And dito siya sa side. So very important kasi to para at least hindi po masyadong madilim yung ating staircase. At hindi dapat palagi naka-open yung lights. So dito siya sa upper part, fixed window. Ito naman po yung window na awning type dito. Kung yung ating ground floor tiles, porcelain floor tiles siya. Dito naman po are yung size staircase natin and dun sa ating second floor. Vinyl planks po yung ginamit. So bakit ganun? So, di ba mas maganda kapag test? Usually kasi kapag nasa second floor ka, yun nga, nagtatapak yung iba and ito na yung place kung saan for relaxation ka. Hindi masyado kasi malamig yung vinyl planks. Unlike sa porcelain floor tiles na nag-absorb ng cold. Siyempre galing sa aircon. So, decent naman yung space, mga nasa 1 meter. Maluwag po naman po yung ating hallway dito. Before we enter the bedrooms, let's check the common toilet and bathroom. Number 2. So, as we enter, we have the lavatory. Ang napansin ko dito, may na-improve. And hindi ko nabanggit kanina doon sa ground floor, toilet and bathroom. Nagkaroon po ng cabinetries dito. Although nakikita natin that we have glass enclosure, but it's not included sa delivery of the unit. We don't have mirrors, but at least sa ating shower area, floor to ceiling po, yung wall tile cladding, which is ceramic tiles po yan. Napansin ko po na meron pong abang doon, or outlet for the water heater. We have the window here, serves as an air vent. We have a niche where you can place your toiletries. And dito naman po sa side na to, yung ating water closet, and halfway lang po yung ceramic wall tile cladding natin dito. We have a switch. So yung missing dito, yung napansin ko, yung outlet, kasi dun sa iba pong unit ni Houseland, meron siyang outlet dito. Pero dito wala. I mean, we are talking about the electrical outlet. But it's okay. And now, let's check naman po yung mga available rooms natin. Huli na natin yung master's bedroom. So let's check first the bedroom number 1. So this is the bedroom number 1. Yung mga partition natin dito, they are not concrete. Kung ano yung ginamit na materials for the flooring, same materials na ginamit din po sa ating mga partition, which are gypsum board. That is why you have the advantage to merge the rooms just in case na gusto niyo po na mas malaking bedroom. Dito po, gumamit sila dito ng single size bed. You have a space for a side table, but if you maximize the space dito, kaya siya pa yung double size bed. And you have a space here, at least a 1.2 meter space where you can have your study table. And nakikita naman po lang dito, they have shelves. Yung height floor to ceiling, mga nasa estimated po 10 feet na po yan. Napansin ko rin po yung outlet po doon. I guess it will be an electrical outlet for the aircon. Uso na kasi yung mga split time aircon po dito. Tapos, also you have a space here, mga nasa 1 meter na rin. Ito hindi po yan ano lang po ito, interior design. Check natin. So this side po or dito sa likod po ng headboard ng ating bed. Ano po yan? Concrete. Yung ating interior paint, white finish po siya. Wala po siyang color accent. Tapos, ito naman po ang partition natin dito sa side na to. Gypsum board po yan. We have an outlet here. Common naman po sa mga rooms kasi, yung mga, meron pong 4 electrical outlet. 2 for here and another 2 doon. And then we have a switch dito. So, tapos na tayo sa bedroom number 1. And now, dito naman po tayo sa bedroom number 2. Sa bedroom number 2, I can say na yung kanya pong space or lapad po, pareho lang doon sa bedroom number 1. Ang pinagkaiba lang po dito, yung space po sa baba po ng bed. Medyo mas maiksi lang po sa part na ito. Pero at least decent space pa rin. As you can see, gumamit dito tayo ng single size bed. But if you maximize this, sinagad nyo po hanggang doon, malapit po sa bintana po natin, kaya pa yung double size bed. Napansin ko rin po dito, mas maliwanag dito kasi we have 2 windows So, sliding glass window po dito. And I thought this was a grill, pero hindi pala siya grill. Design pala siya dun sa window natin. Tingnan natin. So, hindi pala siya, hindi siya sliding kasi tinutulak po yung window. So, correct ko lang yung sarili ko dun. So, hindi siya sliding. So, I guess dito rin sa kabilang bintana, hindi po siya sliding. Pareho po siya nun. Pero it is a 2-panel glass window. Same din na may outlet po dun for the aircon. Now, nakita na po natin yung bedroom number 1 and the bedroom number 2. Check naman po natin yung final bedroom, which is the master's bedroom. So, dito po yun sa side na to. Tara! So, this is the master's bedroom. Ang papansin po natin dito, gumamit ng queen size bed. Tapos, meron siyang mga spaces pa both side. Dito naman po sa right side right side po ng bed frame natin. Meron pong enough space for a side table, although it's not 1 meter. Tapos dito naman, mga nasa 1 meter yung space, kaya makakadaan ka pa. Sa baba naman po, hindi po siya 1 meter, pero almost 1 meter. Siguro, 2 ruler, mga nasa 24 inches po yung setback. Magmula dito sa wall natin, patungo dito sa ating bed frame. Tapos, we have windows dito. You may open this. So, napansin ko yung yung hanging. Since may mga bintana po tayo dyan, if you open all the windows, yung airflow, nagsisirculate siya. Medyo malaki din po yung bintana. So, tingnan naman natin dito if it is the same. Ayan, same din. Hindi siya sliding. But you can open just like that po. So since this is the master's bedroom, ito lang po yung room na meron pong ensuite toilet and bath, which is located in this area. We have a lavatory with cabinetries. Ito yung hinahanap ko. May electrical outlet siya dito. So dito lang yan meron sa master's bed. Pagkatapos, ito po yung ating water closet. Halfway lang po yung wall tile cladding natin. Dito naman po sa area na ito. Pero dito sa shower area natin, floor to ceiling na po yung wall tile cladding. And they used ceramic tiles. Tapos may outlet po tayo doon. For the water heater, we have a wall niche here. So where you can place the shampoo, soap, dito nyo po ilalagay po yan. Hindi po kasama po to. Again, ito po ang ating glass enclosure. We have, of course, the switch dito. And nagustuhan ko po yung pintuan. Laminated door po siya. Na meron pong wood texture na smooth finish. So, ganun siya. So, very nice. Pero yung ating door jamb, steel na rin po siya. Okay. So, I guess, nakita na po natin yung details ng Vera model. Let's go outside again and let's talk about the other details. Ano ba advantage ng the Houselands Clarkway? By the way, we have 3 models here. Of course, this is the first model that we have house toured po, which is the Vera, the Aira model, and the Flora model. So, tatlong unit po yan. But the current available po ngayon, yung mga Vera model. Siguro, at the time po na i-upload ko ito, mga nasa 17 units left na lamang po. Wala na po tayong Aira at saka yung Flora. But in the future, possible po magkaroon po ng reopened unit. So, you may inquire to us. And just in case, baka matsyempuan po natin na mayroon pong reopen. Pag-usapan po natin yung location ng unit. Siyempre, kapag bibili ka ng bahay, napaka-importante na hindi lang po yung ganda po ng bahay yung tinitignan natin. Kailangan check din po natin yung convenience. Malapit ba ito sa malls, sa workplace po ninyo, sa schools ng mga anak po ninyo, hospitals, just in case you have an emergency, supermarket, siyempre, mga basic commodity that we need. So, kailangan po, accessible po, which is dun perfect ang the Houselands Clarkway. Within 10 minutes drive, makakapunta ka na sa Marquee Mall. We have medical center po dito. Malapit lang po sa Angeles. Going to the MacArthur Highway, the Balibago, Angeles City, it will take you about mga nasa within 15 minutes drive. So, ganun lang po siya kalapit. And marami tayong mga access. Malapit tayo sa NLEX Angeles Exit, mga other shortcut just in case na nagkaroon po ng mga rush hour. Let's talk about the amenities. Ano ba yung mga amenities na pwede nating magamit or ma-enjoy dito sa the Houselands Parkway? The amenities that we have here, we have the main entrance gate na kung saan with security guard po siya. Roving na rin po yung mga security guards po natin. We have the play yard. This includes the picnic grounds, tree house with slides, log, balance, and sandpit, band swing area, calisthenics, musical playground. Tapos we have the active grounds. We have an indoor gym, multi-purpose active court, running track. So very important po yan. Kiosk for refreshment, bicycle parking, parallel parking spaces. So we have the grove, the water zone, tactile zone, light and color zones, the possum park, the village farm, pool at the courtyard. So we have the courtyard here. Yung pool, meron po tayo dyan, swimming pool. The pavilion at the courtyard, and of course, the main entrance with garden po yan. So yun po yung mga amenities that we can enjoy dito sa the Houselands Clarkway. And napakaganda po ng main entrance niya kasi along the Barangay Road lamang po siya. So kung mayroon po mga details na hindi ko po nabanggit sa video na ito, and you are interested to inquire, so message lang po kayo or mag-comment lang po kayo sa ating comment section. The computations, the prices are indicated sa ating description box. We have our WhatsApp, Viber, email, and social media platform, which follow nyo po kami para po mapanood nyo po yung mga upcoming videos natin. Yung mga projects na meron tayo kasalukuyan are located within Pampanga and Tarlac area. And soon, siyempre, mag-expand po tayo. Check nyo rin po yung aming website if you are looking for any real estate property listing. So, we have our website, JohnKevinPaunel.com. So yun lamang po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay. God bless everyone and see you on the next video.